how to fix a Galaxy phone that can't scan a QR code. So if your Galaxy phone or if your Android phone that is not being able to scan a QR code, then let me tell you that Galaxy phone already has a built-in scanner, but some users reported they can't scan codes with the camera. And if you have such a problem, then don't worry. So what you can do is go with the app drawer and you need to search for camera. After that, you need to open up your camera application. After opening your camera, you can just simply go with your settings. Go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. And from here, you may have your settings. You need to find the settings of your camera. Once you're in your settings, or once you find the settings, you need to tap on it. And under settings here, you will have an option. If you're using a Galaxy phone, then you will have an option to turn on the toggle for scan QR code. So you need to find scan QR codes. It might be on your first or your second option. And you need to turn on the scan QR code. And after toggling on, your problem would be fixed. That's how you can fix a Galaxy phone that can't scan a QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.